Alyssa, nice job here. I think everything really came together well in your design. I think, everything's just really working well. The only thing be sure to always use layer masks. I noticed that some of these new ones are not using the layer masks, and you always want to use that because, now if now the background of this is gone. So let's say it was some other kind of image and the client wanted something else in it, you would still have, just like here, you would have, you'd have all those pixels around it that, that you could still use. So definitely do that. The only thing I would really suggest at this point is maybe not so many of these, or if you do have this many, really make them darker or transparent, just because you just don't want so many of them. It's a little bit overkill. And I'm just wondering about the size of the caricature. That's the only thing, maybe just a little tiny bit smaller so it has a little tiny bit of room to breathe. Let's see here. Whoops. I just think that it just allows it a little bit of room to breathe. So yeah, that's just, kind of my visual opinion, but all of this takes a lot of editing and going back and forth, and you've done a really great job of really working on all the details, and really that's kind of what you do in design is just back and forth, back and forth. It seems pretty OCD, but it's just the way the process is, and now with all these design tools, it makes it a lot easier. I like how you have this behind here. You might want to make a little one or like this one, have it overlap the front. Then it's going to just create a little bit more depth. But yeah, so basically just dealing with the size and then just the petals, and that would be the only suggestions. I think you really, really have a portfolio piece here. So I didn't really look at your statement. Okay, it looks good. A lot of people make the mistake of doing a question and answer for the statement, which you just want two really short paragraphs because you will be using this in your portfolio later on. You take a class in that, and be sure to save all your sketches and everything, because that's also, it's good to have pieces that go from concept to completion. So anyway, really nice job. Okay, it was great working with you, and I hope I can use this as an example for future students as well. Okay.